What up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. If you're new to the channel, I'm just a normal guy who is looking to grow his lawn care business. Last year we grossed over $300,000, and this year we're hoping to get to $500,000. So fam, the last couple of videos I have been expressing to you how hard it is and how lawn care sucks, because sometimes it really does. And sadly to say, the saga continues. I am going to express again today why lawn care sucks. Now hopefully people don't be discouraged from going into lawn care based upon what I say, because I believe you only know the truth when you do it for yourself. And I'm just venting, and I know that when you vent, things get a little bit better for you, because you get to see it from the reality that you're in and you're pushing to get a breakthrough. So 4 reasons why lawn care still sucks. Number 4 reason why lawn care sucks: simply because you own a business and people work for you doesn't mean you're rich. That's why lawn care sucks, because if you own something and you got your name on it or whatever, and you done put this thing together, all of a sudden people think you making millions of dollars. Look here, I'm out here cutting grass. Ain't no millions of dollars that I own. Matter of fact, if I had millions of dollars cutting grass, you wouldn't know my name. That's how rich I would be. I would be too rich to talk to you. You see what I'm saying? So that sucks sometimes, man. It sucks because here's the thing. Your workers think you're rich because you're putting them to work, and the clients think you're rich and you can come down off your prices. So, man, I'm telling you, that's why lawn care sucks sometimes, because people think you're rich and you're not. Number 3 reason why lawn care sucks: things that cost a lot of money still break down. Man, I cannot believe it, man. I had 4 John Deere mowers, and people ask me, man, you know, what do you think about your John Deere mowers? I mean, they break down. I'm talking about they break down under warranty. You put it in the shop, you switch one out, another one break down. So let me tell you like this: ain't a mower out there that doesn't break down. They all will break down, and sometimes that sucks because you paying $8,000-9,000 for something that can basically still break down on you. And when you're trying to grow your business, man, time is money. Things like batteries and stuff going dead on you, man, that really, hey, it really sucks. It really sucks. That's what I'm saying. So that's number 3. Number 2 reason why lawn care sucks: some people don't pay their bills. Man, that's just the way it is, man. I don't know. I got credit cards on file, you know what I'm saying? And sometimes they don't go through. So right now, people owe me about $700. I mean, you only get me one time and I don't cut you no more. But man, it sucks, man, to know that you went out here and put some work in and people ain't paying you. Man, that sucks, man. You know what I mean? But you can't say that to your workers. You can't say, hey, I didn't get paid, so I'm gonna have to. No, you gotta suck it up. And that's one of the things that sucks about lawn care. People will hit you and won't pay you. And hey, what do? Number 1 reason why lawn care sucks is because for some reason, somebody who don't cut grass, that you cut grass for, can tell you how to do your job better than you. I don't understand this. Tell me how you gonna tell me what to do when, number 1, you don't have no piece of equipment. You don't take one. Listen, I'm frustrated, y'all. You can see it, but you don't take no time to understand any of this. But all of a sudden, when we on the phone, you can tell me,
yeah, look here, what you need to do is take that weed eater and weed eat around the house, and I got a few weeds in the back that's still yeah, it's still up. Yeah, it's still up. All you gotta do is take that thing, y'all, yeah, that thing, you got the string thing attached to it. Yeah, take that and then then that should work. Yeah, I mean, you know, if you want me to, you know, I can find somebody else to do a better job for $35. I mean, I know you're rich. I mean, you know, I'm doing you a favor. You know what I'm saying? You should be paying me.
But I'm not gonna rant any longer, because if I rant any longer, it may appear that I've been drinking, and I don't even drink. So, fam, as always, be encouraged. And I know it don't even make sense. I'm ranting all this, then I'm telling you, be encouraged. Be encouraged, fam. Be encouraged. And I cut on lawn care family. Cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.